Hey everyone, my name is Miss Reimer. I teach English language development at One Bright Ray. I actually go to all of our campuses, so I'm sure at some point you'll see me in one of your classrooms. I just kind of push in, help as needed, and then work with my students as they have questions. And one of the ways that we can do this is through an app through Google called Hangouts. All right, and there are 3 different ways that you can access Hangouts, and it's so important that you get all of your teachers added as soon as you get your schedule. It's just between the 2 of you. If you have a question that's just specific to you and your situation, this is a great way to let your teacher know what's going on and what you need from them. All right, so the first thing is go to the App Store and download Google Hangouts. It's gonna be like texting your teachers, right? So when you're in the middle of class, it can get really confusing, having so many tabs open, and then if you have a question that you don't want to ask to the entire class, you can just send it on your phone, so you don't have to worry about closing out of windows, opening a new window, anything like that. If you hear one thing from me today, download the Hangouts app on your phone. It's gonna make your life so easy, I promise you. And do that as soon as you can. But I'm also gonna show you a couple other ways that you can access Hangouts. So the next most convenient way, or the easiest way, is to look at Hangouts through your Gmail. Oh, see, there's a Hangouts message coming through. You should have, let me just minimize this. So you should have your Gmail tab open at all times anyway, because that's how you're getting all of the information from OBR. So have that tab open and you can see what happened, which is a student had a question for me and she just sent through a message. So you can see over here that you'll see your beautiful face. If you have a profile picture, you'll see your name, all right? And then you've got a plus sign. And this is a list of all of my contacts, right? It goes on for days. I won't go through the whole thing. But this means if I need somebody, they're right there. We can just answer this real quick. I think it goes until 12:30 today. All right, easy peasy. Now she's got her answer, and I can show you the next way to do this. So if you have a lot of conversations going on at one time, or if, sometimes your email just feels a little too busy. So sometimes what I do is I open up a new tab or a new window, right? So you go to hangouts.google.com, all right? Search that, and then it all comes up, right? So really easy. You can see I've spoken to a bunch of my students already, sent out reminders, answered some quick questions, made appointments. I've got an appointment with Jasenia later on today, and I talked to some of your teachers through here as well. So when you do get your schedule and you go to add your teachers, you go to this plus sign, okay? And you type in whatever the name is and it'll pop right up. All right, so I want to search for Miss Trumfio, add her to my Hangouts contacts. I type in her name, it comes right up, click it, all right? And I have already sent an invite, but if I hadn't done that yet, there would be a send invite down at the bottom. So you just click that, all right? So really easy. Seriously, when you get your schedules, add your teachers. I promise, it'll make your life so much easier. All right? Welcome to OBR. we're excited to have you. We're excited to get started, and I look forward to meeting you soon.